Welcome students. இந்த வீடியோல 9th standard science refresher moduleல இருக்க 13th topic waterோட evaluation பார்க்க போறோம். First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First question, water changes to ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Solubility of carbon dioxide in water is high when the pressure is high. The gas collected at the cathode on electrolysis of water is hydrogen. Which of the following is a water pollutant? Lead. Permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of carbonates and bicarbonates. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Water is colorless, odorless and dash, tasteless. The boiling point of water is dash 100 degrees Celsius. Temporary hardness of water can be removed by dash of water. Boiling. The density of water is maximum at dash 4 degrees Celsius. Loading speeds up the process of dash sedimentation. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, universal solvent, water. Hard water, stomach ailments. Boiling kills germs. Sterilization, ozonization. Sewage, water pollutant. Fourth Roman letter, give reasons for the following. First one, alum is added to water in sedimentation tanks. Alum அப்படிங்கிறது படிகாரம். Answer வந்து chemical substance potash alum is added to water to speed up the process of sedimentation. This process is called loading. The particles of potash alum combines with the suspended impurities and make them settle down at a faster rate. Second one, water is a universal solvent. Water has a unique property to dissolve more substances than any other liquids. It can dissolve solids such as salt and sugar, liquids such as honey and milk, and gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide in it. Water can dissolve more number of substances than any other solvent. Therefore, it is as an universal solvent. Third one, ice floats on water. This is because ice is lighter than water. It means that the density of ice is lower than that of water. Since ice is a bad conductor of heat, it does not allow heat to pass through it. So, the water below the ice remains in liquid form where most of the aquatic life lives. Fourth one, aquatic animals can breathe in water. Air dissolved in water is important for the aquatic animals to survive. Aquatic animals extract the oxygen from the water and expels water. They can breathe in water only through the dissolved oxygen present in water. Fifth one, sea water is unfit for drinking. Every liter of sea water contains 35 grams of dissolved salts, most commonly known as sodium chloride. Such water is called saline water. It is not suitable for drinking and it is said to be non-potable water. Sixth one, hard water is not good for washing utensils. Hard water damages the utensils and containers in which it is stored and forms a hard layer. Next Roman letter, fifth Roman letter, define the following. First one, freezing point. The temperature at which a liquid turns into solid when cooled is known as freezing point. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Second one, boiling point. The temperature at which a water boils and changes into steam is called as boiling point. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius at atmospheric pressure. Third one, specific heat capacity. Amount of heat that is needed to raise the temperature of a unit mass of a substance by 1 degree Celsius is called specific heat capacity. Fourth one, latent heat of fusion. The amount of heat required by ice to change into water is called latent heat of fusion of ice. Fifth one, potable water. The water suitable for drinking is called potable water. So that's all about this equation. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா kindly comment in the comment section. Thank you.